We got our Australian permanent residency about 9 years ago.
Right.
9 or 10 years ago. 10 years ago, probably. Yeah, probably about 10 years ago. And after that, we came to Perth. We take a look at the place. We were choosing between the different states of Australia, where to settle down. But we studied in Perth, so Perth is a very familiar place.
Studying here?
Yeah, I was in Perth. Yeah, I met my wife here as well.
I was in Curtin.
Yeah, probably during.
When did you graduate?
That was 19. I finished everything in 1997. So we were familiar with Perth. So coming over to Perth was a very
natural choice.
Natural choice for us. We like the place here. We're very familiar with the place here. So we came here after we got our PR to check out the place. Look at the schools for our children. I think priority is where the children is. So look for schools, look for house. So we came a few trips here. And yeah, we bought a place near some of the better schools around. After settling down to about a year,
Did you work when you came?
Both Alicia and myself, we don't call it work. We try to help our friends as well once in a while. Like some of our friends are in different businesses. Some of them are very simple, like even florists. We help them a little bit. But those are not work.
For most immigrants, the first year is like the most difficult.
Yeah, settling down. It was actually quite interesting because we did a lot of shopping. We were spending a lot of time going to Ikea, buying furniture,
doing up your house.
Doing up the house. So we were building a home. So it's. I'm proud to say that every single piece of furniture in my home, I hand assembled them myself. Yeah, with the help of my kids. That when they try to help, But,
were you a handy guy prior to this?
Not as handy as I was when we were in Brunei. Nothing needs to be done,
Right,
We just buy and deliver, and everything is done. So it was actually quite interesting. So we built a home. It's not a very big place like how we always have in Brunei, But it's not about the size or the luxuries that you have. It is actually building a home together. Being foreigners in Brunei, we can't own a property.
Right.
Yeah. So being in Perth, we are living in our own property or our own home that we build from scratch, and that is one of the things that we always wanted to do. Coming to Perth, we could be able to do that.
And the kids, did they adjust well when they first came?
They like it here because coming from any part of Asia to Australia when it comes to education, it's a lot more relaxed over here.
Right.
It's a lot more play than the actual stress of like studying and all. So it's actually a good balance.
So they adapted instantly?
Not exactly instantly. My son was in primary 2, primary 3 when he came. I was very impressed with the education system here. That the children are encouraged to speak up in class, public speaking and all. Versus in Brunei, where you sit there, you study, teacher tells you what to do, you learn, what you need to learn. So more interactive here.
Did it change his personality into being a lot more outgoing?
It did change. It builds more confidence. I guess the big difference in education is that they encourage people to speak up, to be involved, to read between the lines. I think this is
read between the lines.
Like when you look at an article or when you do a comprehension, you don't just read based on context alone. But you try to read between the lines what exactly it says. And this was in year 2 or year 3, when they were younger. So
that age. Wow.
So it's trying to understand what exactly. Sometimes we are so busy. Some things has arisen that we need help sending the kids to school. We ask our friends, basically friends and family, so they will help. Yeah, so it's.
And first, I'm very sure that you're a good friend to people. That's why whenever you need help,
yeah, we help people as much as people help us as well. One of the things offline, we help a lot of the migrants that comes to Perth as well.
Yeah. Through church and look for you, or how does it work?
Actually, more Alicia than myself. Alicia gets to know a lot of people through Facebook. There are groups of people migrating to Australia, so we help them. When they first settle down, like our experience of going through setting up with ATO, Centrelink, you know, all the things that you need to settle down, you know, finding a place, school enrollment for children, finding a place, how you know, like homes, even some people who are doing business migration, what they need to be involved in, you know, how much of sales they need to make per year in order to qualify for migration and everything.